Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Virgo, it's sign. This is August monthly reading and this is general. May or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Virgo, it's sign. What are the messages for you? Virgo, what are the messages for Virgo? What are the messages for Virgo, it's sign, and what's going on? What are the messages for Virgo? It's sun. Wow, very beautiful and very positive reading for you, Virgo. Yeah. Right now, you are not talking to anyone, either with your person or not. I think you are no contact situation with your person, and you are undergoing some healing and meditation process. You are not talking to anyone literally. You are taking your time. You are healing yourself. You are concentrating on yourself. Especially you are not talking with your person which you are in relationship, and but you are thinking about them a lot because you're feeling overburdened, lot of responsibilities in work area, family responsibilities could be. That's why maybe there are some issues in relationship. That's why you want to take some break from all these. So you are doing meditation and healing process. So let's see your reading. Recent past Virgo. Two of Cups, the Hermit, and Knight of Swords. Yeah, you are in a meditation state. You are undergoing some spiritual awakening. You are seeing everything in detail because you isolated from all and doing some meditation and undergoing some spiritual awakening. This is a major transformation in your life, Virgo. But someone is rushing towards you to communicate with you. For some, you already received message from your person, and if not, in near future you will, because Two of Cups with Knight of Swords. This is mutual love. There is mutual love between both of you, and this is a soulmate connection. So someone is rushing to communicate with you. Then present Ten of Pentacles, Hierophant, and Two of Pentacles. So there is stability is coming in relationship because Two of Cups with Ten of Pentacles, and commitment is also coming. But you are in some confusion state, which decision you have to make. There is some juggling in your mind, especially Virgo. There is some juggling, but there is commitment, stability is coming. And future energies, Six of Pentacles, Judgment, and Nine of Cups. So you are getting clarity. In near future you will get clarity and you will make some major decision in the month of August. Definitely you will make some major decision regarding your life, maybe relationship. So, and your wishes are going to be granted. Nine of Cups, wish fulfillment, and Six of Pentacles. In relationship you will get everything. You will be in a committed relationship, Virgo. There is equal give and take, there is love, and there is stability. You have everything from your person end. And you will make some major decision regarding this relationship, and your wishes are going to be granted. And the person involved in this connection could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Earth sign, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, water sign, especially Virgo. So let's see your person feelings and actions towards you. Then we will get more clarity what's going between you and your person. Two of Swords, maybe they are at some crossroads. So your person feelings towards you, Virgo. Five of Pentacles. I think they are feeling sad. They are feeling lonely for something. I think if you are in separation, they're ready to offer stability, but they're obsessed with you, and the person involved in this connection could be Capricorn. They're obsessed with you. Maybe they're waiting for the right time. Wheel of Fortune and the Lovers card is here. Love is there between both of you, and the person involved in this connection could be Capricorn or Gemini, and they're feeling sad. They're feeling alone. For what? So let's see their actions towards you. Virgo, your person near future actions towards you. Ten of Pentacles 2 times. I think they're thinking, see, 10 of 6 of Pentacles, 10 of Ace of Wands. Wow, very beautiful. King of Wands. Your person is very powerful, attractive and grounded, and they are very passionate about you. They are very attracted to you, Virgo. And 6 of Pentacles with 10 of Pentacles, they really want to offer stability to this connection, and in past there is no equal give and take. Now they really want to offer equal give and take. Yeah, you will be in a committed relationship, and they want to take this relationship to next level, upgrade in relationship. Maybe in past your person may be dominative, they're heavily obsessed with you, but now they really want to work on this relationship. They really want to take this relationship to next level. And here a lot of earth energy. The person involved in this connection could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or especially Capricorn, Gemini or Virgo. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome. Lot of earth energy. Seven of Cups. Yeah, they are fantasizing about you a lot. There is message coming in. 3 of Cups. They want this celebration with you. They want this happiness with you. They are dreaming about you a lot. This is not about options here. Maybe for some, your person maybe have options, but they will choose you in case they have options. And yeah, maybe for some you both have some age differences. One person is younger than the other person in this connection, and you are trusting your intuition. This is a strong spiritual connection also for some. 10 of Wands energy, you are feeling overburdened in these recent times, Virgo. Maybe family responsibilities, work pressure, but there is some communication is coming. Message. Communication is the key here for some. And a lot of fire energy. You or your person could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius or Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, water energy. Yeah, this relationship is going to next level. Even though it is slow, but at least there is movement, because the person involved in this connection could be Cancer, and at least there is some movement even though it is very slow. And the Moon, yeah, there are some disturbances between illusions between both of you. First you both have to resolve these between both of you. So let's see your overall energy for the month, Virgo. You are listening to your intuition. There is missed opportunity with your person. You stand by your power. You are very grounded. Reconciliation is coming. And you are thinking about them a lot. You both have strong soulmate and past life connection with each other. There is love between both of you. So let's see your person overall energy for the month. Yeah, they really want to take this relationship to next level, but they're taking it very slow. Maybe divine timing, wheel of fortune is also here. They're feeling sad. Maybe for some your person past they hurt you, now they realize their mistake. And 2 of Cups, they realize their mistake. They know that you are their soulmate. Yeah, they realized and they're coming back for second chances. So let's see some messages from your person and through the channel. Virgo, for the month of August. Third party involved. I can't let you go. I'm crazy about you. Past person return if you are in separation. Friendship. So for some you both could be friends also. So yeah, third party means it could be a friend, it could be a family member. Always doesn't mean that another woman, another man. It could be anyone, that friend or family member. So third party involved and past person return. They can't let you go and they're crazy about you, and friendship. These are the messages. So let's see some messages from Moon Oracle deck for you, Virgo. look at the bigger picture, especially when full moon in Sagittarius. Maybe you are not seeing what is coming towards you, but look at the bigger picture. Definitely there is something big is coming towards you. Luck is on your side, Virgo. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Bye.